Okay guys, this is going to be a short video explaining to you how to do guided notes. We are just starting to work with the Florida virtual curriculum, and so they have kind of a textbook that we're going to be using, and you're going to be using guided notes within that Florida virtual school system. So I want to make sure everybody knows how to do this. So what you're looking at right now is my screen for this week, August 31st through September 4th, and you can see on Wednesday through Friday your assignment is to do guided notes on 1.06 energy transfer. And so you're going to have today, Wednesday and Thursday and Friday to get these guided notes done, and I want to make sure you know how to get there. So if you look at the next assignment listed in Schoology, it's this energy transfer with these yellow rulers, these yellow crossing rulers, and that tells you that it's from Florida Virtual School. Okay, so we're going to be using some of their content. So if we go ahead and click on that and open it, it opens up and it's kind of like a textbook, and there's a menu that you don't really need. There's objectives that's going to tell you what it is you're going to learn. And then it's telling you that we have 7 pages that you are going to read. So you have Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday to read these 7 pages. And if you click on the arrow buttons, it moves you between the pages, right? So now we're on page 2. Okay, but what I mostly want to show you is how to get to the notes. So if you look on this first page, it says Energy Everywhere. And then there's a note here at the bottom. It says, be sure to open the guided notes, okay? And that's a hyperlink, so you're going to click on guided notes because that's what you want to turn in to me. You're going to click on that, and a page is going to come up that looks kind of like a worksheet, right? So it's titled Energy Transfer Guided Notes. It tells you what our objectives are, and then it has a bunch of places where you're going to fill in information. But if you try to type here, it doesn't work, okay? It doesn't work. So you have to go to the bottom of this page, and then you have two choices. You can either print it out on your printer at home and then actually handwrite in the answers as you go through those 7 pages, or what I recommend is to open the file, and when you click open file, it's going to download it to your computer. So there it is there, it just downloaded. So I'm now going to open it, and when I open it, you will see it's a Word document. It is a Word document. If I can scoot it over, how come I can't scoot it over into our screen? There it is. Okay, so it's a Word document, and you can now type in the answer. How is energy defined in science? So you can now type blah, 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 whatever the Florida Virtual School tells you the answer is. The important point here is you need to save it to your computer. Okay, so I'm going to click save. Well, actually, I'm not going to click save, but if I were a student, I would click save and save it to my computer, and then you will need to submit this Word document as your guided notes, okay? And put your name on it and submit it. All right, so that is how, so in this case, no, I don't want to save it because I was just showing you what you're going to do. All right, so that's how you access the guided notes. All right, that's it. Good luck.